पुलिस जो काम करे वो भी इलीगल है, क्योंकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला था कि आरजी कोड इशू में अगर कोई भी मिছিল हो शांतिपूर्ण, उसमें वो नहीं कर सकते, कुछ हस्तक्षेप नहीं कर सकते। लेकिन आज देखा जा रहा है, कल देखा गया कि लाठीचार्ज हुआ, गैस मारा है। तो ये पुलिस का ये है कि जो भी विरोधी भाजपा अगर कुछ बोले तो उसको चाप देना, और अदालत का बात भी ना सुनना, संविधान का बात ना सुनना, भारत के आईन न्याय संहिता को ना मानना, ये पुलिस का काम है।
Well, Adrija, we heard the reaction coming from the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, this strike has been called in response to what happened on the streets yesterday. Please take our viewers to what transpired on the streets yesterday, and what is the TMC saying on this?
Well, usually, first of all, a group of people had called for a Nauban Abhiyan, that is a march to the Secretariat, and they were demanding the resignation of Mamata Banerjee. However, police had taken precaution at several points in the city. Roads were shut down, barricades in layers were put in, containers were brought and put on the road, and it was a huge police deployment was also made. Approximately around 6,000 police were deployed. Even police from the districts were brought in. At the same time, when the march started, police first of all were announcing to ensure that the protesters do not become agitated and do not try and attack anyone. However, as the protest started, things went a little down south, and then, as a result, police had to resort to firing tear gases and at the same time, shooting the water cannons. But however, the protesters in certain places have broken the barricades. There are allegations of stone peltings on the protesters. There are some people who had, pelted stones at the police, and therefore they were forced to fire the tear gas shells towards the protesters. And in all of this, there was a huge chaotic situation that had taken place yesterday, and several people were detained and arrested by Kolkata police, resulting in this chaotic situation, in this huge situation. However, the BJP yesterday have mentioned that they do not accept the way the police have reacted, and therefore they have called in order to call for solidarity, and hence a 12-hour month today. And at the same time, the BJP have said that not only the people or the women from our party, but women from across should come together and protest regarding this, as it is an issue of the women of India.
Thank you, Adrija, for all the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. But before we move on, viewers, take a look at what transpired on the streets of Calcutta yesterday.
These protesters has been pushed back a few meters from the barricade, as the protesters had breached the barricade. They had broken the barricade and was trying to enter through the Shatragachi More at that particular time. In fact, stones were also pelted from the protester side.
Water cannon being charged at the crowd in order to stop them anywhere close. It works as a deterrent. Some of these supporters tried to breach the barricade, and this is how the water cannon have been charged. There are multiple water cannons, Vajra, and also the fire tenders have been brought in to tackle the crowd.
Massive deployment of the West Bengal police is being seen in the visuals. The protesters there also at some points clashing with the officials on ground, who are now marching forward, pushing the protesters, and some of them have managed to bring down barricades, tear gas shells fired as well.
The protesters, time and again, there was request being made to the protesters not to breach the barricade. See again on your screen that Kolkata police, how they are charging, and see how stones are being pelted. Now the Kolkata police is charging. Now the West Bengal police is charging. Continuous tear gas shells are being fired.
So you see the chaotic visuals coming from the state of West Bengal. We'll get you more on this, but heading into a short break, we'll be right back with more news and updates. Stay with us.